Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I have another crochet protective style to share with you guys. I am starting out on freshly washed and moisturized hair, and I'm going to stretch my hair with this Revlon hair dryer and my Tresemme heat protectant. I'm working on small sections for this blowout, and I'm going to apply the heat protectant, detangle the hair, and then go in with the hair dryer. And I'm going to use the low heat setting on the dryer, and I'll keep blowing it out until I get the desired stretch that I need for this hairstyle. I'm twisting each section away so that they don't revert too quickly. I went ahead and did most of it off camera. Here I'm on the very last section. I'm making one final pass with the dryer before I get started with this hairstyle. Now I'm putting some Jamaican black castor oil back into my hair because I feel like the dryer dried out everything. So for this style, you're going to make two large sections. I'm using the styling wax to the base of the braids to give it that sleek, fresh look that you see just now. I'm using this brush to distribute the edge wax a bit more evenly around. So I'm just gonna do a basic cornrow going straight back. If you can't cornrow, you can do a flat twist or a rubber band style, or even like two sleek low ponytails, or whatever you can come up with to make this style your own or make it work for you. Now I'm repeating the exact same steps for the other braid. I'm gonna swoop my edges just a little bit. The hair that I'll be using is the Main Concepts 3x Shaggy Kinky Bulk Braids. It's 24 inches and I'm only using 2 of the 3 bundles in the pack for this hairstyle. This is what the hair looks like straight out of the pack. It comes with these straight blunt cut ends on one side, so I'm just gonna cut those off real quick. I'm securing the ends of my braids with a rubber band. And for the last part of this hairstyle, I'm pretty much packing the crochet hair in and around the back, the nape of my hair, until I get my desired fullness. I think this hair blends perfectly with my hair. The color, the texture, everything looks like I grew it. Now I'm trimming away those unruly strands, those ends that still have a piece of the straight blunt hair on it. Fluffing it out so it starts to feel like how I want it. And this is what we're looking like so far. To spice things up a little bit, I'm adding some jewels to the corners. And this is our finished look, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.